This is mathematics. On my page, I'll be treating both mathematics, physics, chemistry, anything involving calculation. So in mathematics here, there's a simple mathematics I just want to clarify, even though you may know it, but I just want to clarify it for the people that don't know it. So here is a simple mathematics. In this question now, there are mixtures of sign. In mathematics, we have sign like multiplication sign, addition sign, division sign, and bracket, and so on. So when there are mixtures of it in a single expression or problem that one needs to solve in mathematics, it has stages. It has step by step which you need to follow for you to get the right answer. If you don't do it, you will fail it. So I just want to tell you the step by step which you follow to get any form concerning this question. So in this question now, question number 1 here says 2 times 4 divided by 3 plus 8 minus 2 of 2 plus 2 bracket 1 times 2. So signs that you see here, there are many. There is sign of multiplication here, there is sign of division here, there is sign of addition here, there is sign of subtraction here, there is even of here, there is addition again, and there is multiplication, there is bracket 2. So you don't just begin to solve this thing without following the step-by-step method. So in order to solve this mass now, you need to follow what we call BODMAS. You need to follow what we call the BODMAS. In BODMAS, the step you follow is B stand for bracket, O stand for others, any other sign, for example. Then D stand any other sign that is not in this BODMAS now. All these things, they are sign. B stand for bracket, O stand for any other sign that is not in this BODMAS. D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. That is what we call the BODMAS. So in this first question, which say 2 times 4 divided by 3 plus 8 minus 2 of 2 plus 2 bracket 1 times 2. So in this now, then considering this step-by-step method, which is BODMAS, the first one is bracket. Is there any bracket in this? Yes, there's bracket. You now clear it first. You now start 2 times 4 divided by 3 plus 8 minus 2 of 2 plus 2. This bracket, in order to remove this bracket, you now saw what is inside. What is inside is 2 times 1. If you say 2 times 1, the answer is 2. You now remove the bracket sign. That is, now you now have times 2. Remember, this thing, what is inside here will now times this 2. So once you've taken away the bracket, you now say 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer you get here, which is 2, will now times this 2 out. That is why I say the 2 outside here times the 2, the answer you get inside here. So you now continue. You have finished with B. You have finished with B. The next one is others. Is there any other sign here that is not in this BODMAS? Yes, off is here. Off is here. No off. There is no off in this BODMAS. So I will have to treat this off. Now start again. 2 times 4 divided by 3 plus 8 minus 2 off. If in order to remove off, you remove off and exchange it with the multiplication sign. Anywhere you see off in mathematics, just exchange it with the what? Multiplication sign. A multiplication sign is this. I now take away this off and put times. You understand? This multiplication sign has replaced the off. That's how to treat the off. Now off has gone. Let's say times this 2 plus 2 times this 2. Now the next one is division. Is there any division here? Yes, there is division here. there's what? Division. You now treat division. So now you don't come and say 2 times 4 before you divide. No. You understand? You now divide. You now do what? Divide. You now divide 4 divided by 3. 4, okay, now say 4 divided by 3. Okay, let me do it in a way that it will be easier for the easier stuff. Let me just use this one as 6. 6, remember? 6 and 6. In order to make what I'm teaching you to be clear. I'm doing this for you to understand it more. Let it be clear, right? That's why I exchange it to 6 for the thing to be easier for you to understand. So now, let's say here 6. I will now say the next thing I will do is division. I will now say, is there any division here? Yes, there's division, but there's no division again. There's only one division. If there's other division, you still treat that division first. And I'll say 3 divided 6, I will get what? 2, 2. If 3 divided 6, you will get what? 2, 2. And now have 2 times 3 divided 6 will be 2. So this 2 has gone now because I've solved it. You now get 2, right? Plus 8 minus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2. Next one is what? Multiplication. Next one is what? Multiplication. You now treat multiplication. How many multiplication do we have here? We have multiplication here. We have multiplication here. We have multiplication here. We have 3 multiplication. We will treat 3 of them. And I say 2 times 2 is 4 plus 8. Remember, I have another multiplication. Minus 2 times 2 is 4 again. Plus 2 times 2 is another 4. Now this is what I have. I finished with multiplication. The next one is what? Addition. The next one is what? Addition. How many addition do we have here? This one is addition. This one is addition. This one is addition. This one is also addition. Only this one that is subtraction. Now add this 4 and this 4 and this 8. You understand? So 4 plus 8 is 12. Plus this 4 here is 16. Now have 16 minus the 4. So the minus sign now, which is the last one, subtraction, I will do it last. So 16 minus 4, it will remain 12. The answer of this thing will become what? 12. The answer will become what? 12. So now that is how to solve such thing. Now let's quickly go to the second example. Let's quickly go to the second example. So the second example says bracket 4 plus 2 plus 3 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 3 raised to power 2. So the first thing is bracket. Is bracket here? Yes. What is inside the 4 plus 2? So you do it first in order to take the bracket out. 4 plus 2 is 6. Bracket has gone. Plus 3 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 3 raised to power 2. Next one is what? Others. Is there any others? Is there any other thing that is here that is not in the BODMAS? Yes, there is a raised to power 3 raised to power 2. So you now treat this 3 raised to power 2 first, which is 6 plus 3 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 3 raised to power 3 means 3 times 3. 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 times 3. So 3 times 3. That is what this thing means. I have taken away this or that thing. So the next one is a division. Is there any division here? Yes, there is division here, right? I will now do it. 6 plus 3 times 2 minus. You now do the division next. 2 divided 4 to give you 2. Division has gone now. The answer of this 2 is 2 plus 3 times 3. The next one here is multiplication. Is there multiplication? Yes, there's multiplication here. There's multiplication here. Now we start 6 plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 2. 3 times 3 is plus 9. You understand? So now you continue very far. No, now this plus this, you know, next one is what? Addition. See this and you add them. This plus this is 12 plus this 21. You now have 21 minus 2. When you minus 2, you now have 19. The answer of this one is 19. The answer of it is 19. So let's quickly do the last one. Let's quickly do the last one. The last one says 2 plus 10 minus 2 times square root 4. So from the BODMAS, there's no bracket here. I will leave it. Is there others? Yes, there is others, square root 4. So 2 plus 10 minus 2 times square root 4. Square root 4, if you press it in your calculator, the answer is 2. Now we'll move again. Is there division? No, there's no division here. We'll now leave it. Is there multiplication? Yes, there's multiplication here. We now have 2 plus 10 minus 2 times 2 is 4. We'll continue. Addition. Is there addition here? Yes, there's addition. 2 plus 10 is 12 minus 4. The last thing is 12 minus 4. The answer is 8. Final answer. So that is the final thing here. Please follow me on Facebook and like it. Like the video. Share it to your friends so those that need it may benefit from it. Thank you so much. I have a YouTube channel which you will see the link on this top of video. You just click it. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you so much and God bless.